Dog delights delivered to your door monthly. Subscribe from $23 per MO. What's in a BarkBox? Dog delights delivered. 2 toys, 2 treats and a chew, shipped free to you every month. Personalized playtime. Pick the size, style and material that fits the way your pup likes to play. Happiness in a box. Fun, new themes to unbox, share and play with every month. Subscribe from $23 per MO. Free shipping inside the contiguous 48 United States. Explore themes. Current theme. Peace and fluff. Look inside. Past theme. WWE. Look inside. Past theme. Budhounds. Look inside. Past theme. Space Jam, a new legacy. Look inside. Coming in October. Don't be afraid of the bark. Our themed boxes are custom tailored to your dog's size, diet, and lifestyle. Each BarkBox contains 2 Corky toys. Exclusively designed and tested by the dog experts at Bark. 2 all-natural bags of treats. Tailored to your dog's diet, and so tasty your pup won't notice they're healthy. 1 chew. A drool-worthy treat for when they've been extra good. Subscribe from $23 per MO. Free shipping inside the contiguous 48 United States.